move on to the question number now. Student faculty feedback data may suffer from issues like accuracy, completeness, and consistency. Discuss each issue in the context, missing survey response, contradictory rating, purpose, two other dimensions of quality relevant to learning analytics. So as we all know, colleges collect feedback from students, but you ever wondered whether that data is actually reliable? So, well, issues like this, accuracy, completeness, and consistency can completely change how the decisions are made about teachers, courses, or even student support system. So, in this video, we will break down these issues with simple examples and then look at two more important data quality dimension you must know. So, let's start with accuracy. Accuracy simply means that the feedback recorded truly reflects what the student intended to say. For example, a student may accidentally select 5 out of 5 instead of 2 out of 5. So when paper responses are entered into database, a rating like 15 might get typed as 51. So even automated system can make mistakes such as clickstream data being logged incorrectly because the device clock was wrong. So why is this important? Because inaccurate feedback can lead to wrong conclusions about teachers' performance, unfair evaluation, and poor decision by institution. So to improve accuracy, we can use things like input validation, confirmation messages, extreme responses, cross checking with other data resources, and viewing suspicious entries. So this is all about accuracy. Accuracy is the recorded feedback about whatever the feedback giver has chosen. So now let's move on to the completeness. So completeness means that all required feedback is present. So for example, student may skip questions, leave comment blank, or entire groups may not respond because the survey link never reached them. So incomplete data can create non-response biases where the results don't truly represent entire student population. Some ways to handle this uh, include monitoring responses rate, sending reminders, keeping survey short, and using required field carefully. So in some cases, missing value may be filled using techniques like mean or model-based imputation, but we also must always acknowledge the uncertainty that introduces. So this was all about completeness. Now moving on to the consistency. So consistency means that the same meaning format and units are used across records and over time. So there are no contradictory entries. For example, the same teacher may appear as Dr. Kumar in one place and as Kumar in another. Or a student may say they never attended classes, or one question but attended every classes in another. Some courses may one use 1 5 rating scale, with other use 0 4. So this make it impossible to compare or combine feedback correctly. So to improve consistency, institutions can enforce unique IDs, standardized scales, clean text data, and run checks to detect contradiction. So two additional important data quality dimensions uh, uh, are timeliness and validity. This refers to how up to date the feedback is. If feedback is collected months after the course, student may forget details and teachers can't act on the result quickly. So weekly short survey, timestamp, and marking stale data can improve timeliness. Validity, on the other hand, asks whether the feedback actually measures what it is supposed to measure. If a survey question says read teaching, students may interpret it differently. Clarity, friendliness, and or availability. So even if data is accurate and complete, unclear questions make it useless. So using well-tested question sets, pre-testing surveys, and combining multiple related questions can improve validity. So, guys, faculty feedback isn't about just collecting responses. If the data is inaccurate, incomplete, or inconsistent, outdated, or valid decisions based on it can also be misleading. So by improving this data quality dimensions, institution can make fairer evaluation and more effective improvements in teaching and learning. So thanks for watching my video. In another video, we will cover the question number 10th of the internal paper. Thank you so much.